Magandang araw. Dadako ulit tayo sa pag-solve ng isang sample problem using moment area methods. Nang nakikita niyong beam ay cantilever beam, no? Ang pinapahanap sa atin ngayon ang slope and deflection at point B. Pwede naman tayong gumamit ng kahit anong methods ng beam deflections. Pero dahil nandito tayo sa topic ng MAM, isa rin sa pinaka-tip ko sa inyo ay kapag cantilever beam ang sinusolve natin, isa sa mga magandang gamitin, yung MAM. Simulan natin. Una, of course, reactions tayo sa supports. And this is just the fixed support. So lahat ng reaction magko-concentrate lang dito. We have vertical reactions to resist 15K. And we have the moment at the fixed support. That is a negative moment counterclockwise resisting 15K times 20, 300. Now, we are ready to draw the tangents on the curve. So next natin doon yung elastic curve ng cantilever beam. Okay? So, fix sa end and free end. Free dito sa point B. So, of course, obviously, ito yung maximum deflection. At dyan yung pinapahanap sa atin ng slope and deflection. If you draw a tangent at A, okay, it's just like this. Tangent A. Ibig sabihin, it is similar or parallel to the horizontal. Okay? Or to the beam length, yung tangent A. In short, isa sa mga kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina kung bakit madali ang MAM sa cantilever beam kasi automatic yung isang tangent mo is yun mismo ang horizontal axis, no? So next point is yung sa point B. Dito ka mag-drawing ng isa pang tangent para makuha mo yung relationship mamaya between two tangent. And kapag kumukuha tayo ng slope, di ba, ng point sa deflection or sa elastic curve, sorry, eh, you need to draw a tangent talaga. And typical, yun lang din naman yung tangent B sa point B. Okay? So, ito yung kanyang change in slope. This is the moment area theorem 1. Diba? The change in slope between B and A. Between tangent B and A. Okay? And that is a clockwise direction. So, ibig sabihin, negative ang slope natin dito. Okay? And then, ayan o, negative slope. If you are rotating from the left tangent to the right tangent. Okay? Ganun yan. And then, it is similar, or you can also get the deflection at point B when you do the deviation. Deviation, okay, of point B, okay, deviation of point B from the drawn tangent at A. So, TB slash A. Ganun yan. And then, kung titignan nyo, yung TB dash A na yan, or slash A na yan, is the Y-max. Diba? And yung theta BA is the rotation or the slope at B. Yan yun. The slope at B. So, kung titingnan din natin, dahil yung TB slash A natin is above the curve. Sabi doon, di ba, sa sign convention natin, above the curve. Above the curve. To the tangent, it is negative. Okay? So, the anticipation here is a negative deflection. Okay? Draw natin yung M over EI diagram. Okay? Siyempre, dahil cantilever lang ito, lahat tayo mag-concentrate doon sa wall. No? Doon tayo mag-take ng moment. So, 15 times 20 lang yan. Or, ibaba lang natin tong negative na to. Negative 300 dito and then, balik tayo doon sa 0 dito sa point B. So, ganyan. We have negative 300 and then divide lang natin ang EI. Kasi M over EI na yan. Okay, so, again, MAM is focusing on the moment area. So, kunin lang natin yung area under the M over EI diagram. And that's it. So, if we take the slope, okay, at point B, kunin lang natin yung relationship ng rotation between B and A. And that is the area between BA ng M over EI diagram. Diba? Ang simple lang. So, it's just the area of the triangle lang daw. So, negative 300 times 20 over 2. Yan na yun. And then divide EI. Simplify. Okay? And that's it. Okay? And then kung isa-substitute natin yung EI dito, yung EI, no? 29,000 times 758. Okay. And then, i-times lang natin yung conversion natin para maging radians ito. 12 squared kasi convert natin yung feet sa inches. And that is 0.0197 rad. The rotation is clockwise. Meaning, tama yung assumption natin sunod natin yung deflection naman at point B. And sabi nga natin na yung deviation of B with respect to A is the y max also. So, kunin lang natin yung moment area theorem 2. Di ba? The area between the point AB in the moment and the M over EI diagram times its centroid at point B kasi doon tayo nangunguha ng deviation. Substitute lang natin ulit yung area, 300 over 20. And this time, ilalagay ko yung negative sign. Okay? Kasi negative yung ganitong formation. Above the curve tayo eh. So, we have negative 40,000 over EI. Tandaan na, yung XB natin or measurement from the centroid of the M over EI diagram, triangle, to the point B. It is 2/3 of the base. 2/3 of 20. Yan. Simplify, negative 40,000. Substitute. Ngayon, magmumultiply ako ng 12 cube kasi para ma-divert natin ulit yung naka-fit to inches. As, ano tayo? English units. Substitute and this is the answer. So, the deflection at point B is 3.14 mm downwards. Okay? Ganyan lang kadali kapag cantilever beam. Ayos? So, if you have questions, okay, and clarifications, mag-chat lang po kayo sa comment section. Salamat po sa panonood.
Let's go! Let the music play. It's time to celebrate.